I'm at that boat, no headbands. Into JOJO Siwa! Once we're done transforming into JOJO Siwa, we're gonna see who's the best JOJO. Oh. We have prizes for the window. First place gets the JOJO Hairdorable. And second place gets the tiny JOJO doll. We have two special judges. These are our special judges. They're going to be the ones who tells us who wins. Alright guys, let's get started. I'm ready. I bought a dress. And I bought shoes. And I have a bow. Okay guys, now I'm gonna get changed. Okay guys, now it's time to get my JOJO hair. My mom's gonna do it for me. This is my mom. Okay guys, now it's my turn. First I got my JOJO shoes. Now I got my JOJO bow. Okay. I got a JOJO belly outfit and I have a JOJO jacket.
Let's see, she's got a JOJO ballet singlet.
What, you can see from your back?
Yeah. It's got a really pretty back and a JOJO jacket. All right, you have one more thing. What is that?
And I got my dance tutu. Okay, now it's time for me to dress. Okay, guys, now it's time for the competition to see who's the best. JoJo! I'm gonna be the best. I think I'm gonna be the best. What? Let's see! Papa says, check it up your chocolates, jack, kick it, move it, mix it, right foot all around, disco, to the ground, boogie, freestyle, and freeze. And back that pose, no headbands. And back that pose, no headbands. And back that pose, no headbands. Deborah, now it's your turn. I don't really care about what they say. I'm gonna come back like a boomerang. Don't let the haters get their way. I'm gonna come back like pow. I'm pretending the tanny sword. I'm pretending the tanny sword. I'm pretending the tanny sword. Tanny sword. Now we're gonna do that dance off.
JoJo's, who do you think was the best JoJo Siwa?
Okay, let's talk. Okay, so that little one, she was really feisty and she's really good. Yeah, but they were both amazing. I don't know how we're gonna pick. Okay, so. Okay, guys, we have a winner. Can we get a drum roll, please? Oh my hand. Our first prize winner, taking home the JoJo Hairdorable, is Kaya! Yay! And our second place winner is Miss Bria. Good job! You girls both did fantastic. Do you want to unbox your JoJo stuff? Yeah. Bria, do you want to help me unbox my JoJo? Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I start from here. Rip. Yes. Rip it. Rip the baby. Rip that puppy open. So you want to pull up that one. Oh, my blind bags too. Ooh. I need some help? Yeah. No? I need somebody's help. I wonder what this could be. It's a dog! Kaya, it's Bobo. I knew it was Bobo. Can I pop one? Yeah. It's so big. Ew, and it's soft, you guys. Let me touch. Tay, open it. Tay. Her mystery bow! The next box. Blindfold. Oh, here we go. It feels weird. It feels like some shoes or glasses to me. Yeah. Okay. I can't even look at that. Somebody else is in here. Oh, do you have it?
What is it, Kaya?
It's I know something else. It's some stickers and shoes. Bria, you told me the last one. Okay. There's something else in now. I want to see if there's something else in now. I'm liking blindfolds. There's something else. So we have this. Guys, this is a belt. A belt. Okay, now it's the JoJo out. And first look at this. So Kaya's look. What's in there? You want me to try? No. There you go. Okay. It's a closet. Guys, this is a closet. Have a mystery bow. Have a mystery bow. Guys, have a mystery bow. Today, I'm going to do JoJo's wrist. Maybe it's the other foot. Okay, got her shoes on. Kai, do you want me to put the bow on for her too? Is this right or not right? Here, let me help you. So look, I'm gonna take this piece. So that's my JoJo's done. Okay, I'm gonna unbox mine. Puppy, puppy. That puppy. Woo! Time to go for a walk. The house has a lock. Oh, it's a gun bag. That's cool. And the toilet. Wait, hey. Alright, let's see. Wait, where does my eyes? Okay. Okay. I have twins.
You have twins?
Yep. Okay, guys, I got twins. This is going to be the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.